Has 2020 maybe not gone quite according to your plan? Yeah, me too. My name is Dr. Katie Henry. I am a doctor of physical therapy, holistic health coach, business coach, and I am passionate about creating from this space of joy and knowing, trusting, and believing that we absolutely get to have whatever we desire. So you still get to have the 2020 that you desired. It's just an invitation to pivot. You get to pivot, you get to make changes, and then you get to create the year, the life, the month, whatever that you desire. How do you make that happen, right? So many of us sit down and we write goals and we have dreams and we have a manifestation list. And then sometimes either we don't achieve that or we achieve the goal and we're like, something's missing. That's because we're doing it all backwards. And so for the past 5 years, I've been teaching a workshop on how to actually create goals with soul, because we're not desiring the goal. We are wanting the feeling that achieving the goal brings us. So when we create from that space and then take action and write goals, so much happens, and it happens quickly, which is why I call this process instant manifestation. And I want to give you that workshop now so that you can recreate and pivot to bring what you want for 2020 into your reality. So here's what you're going to get. You're going to get the workshop, instant access to it. You're going to get a workbook. You're going to get some powerful meditations that you get to use over and over again. And you can reuse this whole workshop again in a couple months if you want, so that you can truly pivot and create the 2020 you desire. And by the way, this thing is $88 because 8 is the number of abundance. So what are you waiting for? It's time. Create the 2020 that you've wanted, desired, and maybe you just get to start something new and start fresh. Perfect. Fill out your information below and I will see you in the workshop.